Okay, to finish it out, Earth signs, I have to be kind of quick. So Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Like I was saying, going into the week, I feel like you have this wonderful burst of creative energy. You may have been coming off some issues, or you may have been just having this going on no matter what has been going on personally or relationship wise, and that could surely mean a relationship. I mean, I think it's more so self. I think you are feeling creative, although there may absolutely be some kids coming into your life. Maybe you want to work on kids. Someone you know is having a kid, you're bringing a child into the world, or someone you know is bringing a child into the world. But I feel like that is the energy going into this weekend, this week, focused around creativity, happiness, abundance, and really looking at your life, looking at where you're at in this moment, and being thankful and feeling fulfilled for where you're at. You know what I mean? Because it's been a journey and it hasn't been easy for any of my earth signs or any of the signs at all. Any obstacles you may face, I don't think this is an obstacle at all. I mean, the Six of Cups, it is fulfillment. It is emotional fulfillment, feeling good, looking back at maybe some past memories, feeling how you feel on a beautiful, wonderful summer day, with honeysuckles and daisies and, you know, the Make-A-Wish little flowers. You know, just that's how you're feeling. I think it's past memories. I think you may even reunite with somebody from childhood, or maybe the obstacle is actually dealing with some things from the past or some people from the past, and maybe looking at those in a positive way, or maybe seeing some of those things for what they are if they weren't positive, and you've been kind of having rose colored glasses on those things. But I get a positive energy from the card. I don't get a feeling of an obstacle from that Six of Cups. I think if anything, that's going to bring even a more abundant energy to the Empress. And I really feel like with the Six of Cups and the Empress together, and the six being a double of the three, which is the Empress card, I feel like it's kids. I almost feel like if somebody's having kids, it could almost be twins. I just feel creativity. I feel pregnancy. I feel the earth, memories, and just abundance in the material world. That's how I feel. And if it's not, it's just to create something creative, something really, really good. That's creative, that can involve something from the past, someone you know from the past, or just getting together and having some good times with a person from the past and feeling really happy, joyful, and something creative or full of life about it. Feeling full of life. And to end off, the Queen of Pentacles, which is a wonderful way to end it. I mean, you've got the Empress, you've got the Cups cards, and then you have feeling good. And I said you're going to be feeling good, and you're going to be feeling good materially here in this world. I mean, right now, like I said, feeling abundant, stopping and looking at where you are and taking stock of that and feeling good from the inside out. Because happiness is not a feeling that you get from an external source. It is not a feeling you get from anybody else. Happiness truly radiates. When a person is truly happy, it radiates from the inside out. And I don't feel like that Pentacles card is just talking about money. I feel like, look at the whole card, the yellows, the huge pentacle. I mean, the queen, she's next to the king, so she's almost at the top. You've got the lush greenery, fruits or flowers on the trees. You've got some even blue mountains blue mountains in the card. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera, so this is going to be off till I get this together. There's even some fire color red coming from the ground. It's a little bit of everything. And to me, when you can look around and at least feel content in your life about a little bit of all of it and put it all together and feel whole, because it is the small parts that make a whole. And sometimes you really have to look at the little things and be grateful for the little things in order to really feel happy and appreciative about life and the bigger things. So, guys, that was your reading for all signs for the week of November 30th. I want to say happy holidays to everybody, no matter if you celebrate it or if you don't. All beliefs aside, we are all a part of the human race at the end of the day. So I wish you, your family, your loved ones, those in the present and those who have passed, much love. And going into the what we call the winter solstice, what some may celebrate as Christmas, I just want to say I hope everybody just has a wonderful new year. I really hope you do. And I'll be back with more readings. I just felt in the spirit to start saying that at the beginning of December, because before we know it, it'll be over. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week. Much love.